Hello, my name is Jeppe and I live in Denmark, here in Copenhagen. I've been asked if I wanted to show you some of my guitars, and of course I will. Starting out is one of my dearest guitars in my collection. This is a 1982 Hagström Super Sweet, and it is in a cherry red color and weighs about 4 kilos. So it is a bit on the heavy sides. The cherry color is still very strong on these. I've had some of the sweets, and the sweets tend to, for some reason, those I've had and also the ones I've seen online tend to have been very faded in their color. Not really the black one, but definitely the white one has turned yellowish over the years, and with the natural chop getting very like a mahogany kind of look to it. This is really nice. So what is so super about the Super Sweet? The Super Sweet was made in very limited numbers, which means that this is definitely a collector's item. It's also a good player guitar, but I think for the player we'll probably just choose a regular Sweet. And what a shame, really. These are great. It has a few, there's a few upgrades or differences between this and the regular Sweets. One is that this is not a bolt-on neck, it's a set neck. Still has the made in Sweden here in the neck block heel. Has the serial number down at the neck plate. As I said, it weighs a little bit over 4 kilos, so it's not really that bad. It has a nice slim neck. I found this to be a cross between the Gibson 60s profile and a good Fender. It's a bit tall, but it's actually very slim. I know a lot of players who have big hands think that this is just too slim. Okay, so it has a built-in booster system. I think in '82 that was really smart, revolutionary, I don't know, but today it's okay, it's there, but I never really use it. Okay, let's hear it. The pickups are really clean. You have this strong sound. That's without the boost. Very playable, nice slow action. There isn't much else to say. These are priced around, I've seen those sell on eBay for around $2,500 US, a little bit less here in Scandinavia. Mine is not for sale. As I said, it's a guitar that it took me I think over 10 years to finally get one. So here it is, cherry red, Hagström Super Sweet. So if you ever come across one, you should definitely consider buying one. These are great guitars, great value, and I know they have made reproduction of these guitars or those the Super Sweets, and you can compare the two. Basically, one is Chinese, mass-produced, and these are handmade here in Scandinavia. So it isn't really a fair comparison. That said, the reproduction are really good, but this is the real thing. Hope you enjoyed the video, and see you next time. Bye!